Alright guys, we are here in Rome. We made it guys. We are here in Rome and we are just heading to our place right now. We are taking taxi to go to get to our place. Alright guys, we made it here at the Airbnb that we have for the week here in Rome. I'll give you guys a tour. It's actually a sofa bed. We went go ahead and take it out for Isaiah. That's where he's gonna go sleep. They have a TV, a dining table here, and there's a window here that shows the street where we at. There's a bike, it's hanging there on the wall. That's cute. Some glass for the wine. They have their dishes stuff in there. They have a tiny kitchen, microwave. They have coffee, tea, sugar, salt, everything in there, toaster. They have a freezer and a fridge and a dishwasher. And of course they have their tiny washer in there, guys. They don't have a dryer, so we have to use the clothesline to hang our clothes. And there's a stove. We're not even gonna touch that. And this is a gas. And here's my room. There's a TV. And there's a tiny bathroom in there. Isaiah's in there right now. So that's not bad. Alright, so this is it. This is where we're gonna be staying for the whole week. It's not bad at all. I can't complain. It's clean. And according to the guy that's giving us a tour to this house earlier, this is a 1,600 years old apartment. So it is really old, guys. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I'll show you guys around later. Bye. Bye. Alright guys, we are walking down the street. And guess what guys, it's bad news. I lost my phone and left it in a taxi. So whoever's trying to get hold of me guys, I'm not gonna be able to get back to you guys because I lost my phone. I don't know how we're gonna get it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hello. Guys, we're having dinner, we're having pizza. It's good, Isaiah.